Welcome to Desi Mummy, a YouTube channel where we cover a wide range of valuable topics for young Indians. Whether you're just starting in the kitchen, trying to improve your makeup skills, looking to decorate your home, or seeking advice on relationships, we've got you covered. Our channel is managed by an Indian mother who has many years of expertise in these fields and a passion for passing on what she has learned to others. From cooking to makeup application, home decoration to relationship advice, we offer a wide range of content to help young Indians improve their knowledge and skills. On our channel, you'll find easy-to-follow tutorials on how to cook delicious meals, tips and tricks for applying makeup like a pro, and ideas for decorating your home on a budget. We also offer advice and guidance on all aspects of relationships, from dating and marriage to parenting and family dynamics. Our goal is to provide young Indians with the tools they need to live their best lives and make informed decisions. We believe that knowledge is power, and we are dedicated to helping our viewers gain the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in all aspects of their lives. Join us on our journey and let's improve our knowledge and skills together. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more helpful and informative content. Thank you for watching.